Today, as you know, I did a lot of work to my garage. I changed the springs, I changed the safety cables, I changed the lift cable, I changed everything. And the other day, it still was giving me some trouble, and the belt was bad. So I want to show you how to change this belt. Okay, this is the belt here. I had to order it online. It's a special belt. So they all have markings on the belts here. You can see there's a marking on this belt, and yours could be different. So definitely look up the marking, look up the belt. And this is where it was connected here, so I want to show you. So this is what it looks like. So when you take off the cover, and basically here's the cover. There's 4 screws. This one has 4 screws, 4 regular screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the actual cover of the garage door. You just pull this off. And when I pulled it off, you see, this is what it looked like all inside, and here's the belt. The belt is a huge mess. So that was probably another problem I had as well. So again, this is what it looks like. I want to show you. You don't have to hire someone to do this. It's really easy. You just get the new belt. Actually, I just got in. I'll show you that in 1 second. You just wrap it around here, and you just twist it around this main pulley here. The replacement belt, it's the same number on it. It was 3L-290. That is the belt number. You have to make sure it's the exact same belt because the groove and the distance have to match. Doesn't match, you can't have it too fat, you can't have it too small, because it's got to fit within the pulley system. Again, don't hire someone to do this. You can do this yourself. Make sure you unplug the garage, number 1. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I did. So what I did is I actually manually just pushed it on. So I put it on the pulley first here, put it on this pulley here, and just kept on turning this. And it just wrapped right around, just popped right on. So that's what I had to do. It wasn't that didn't use a screwdriver. Put on the small side first, and then just put on the big side and just turned it, and it just kind of just rode right on and popped right on. So our app right here, let's open it up. Opening up, it says right there, garage door open. There it goes, super quiet and smooth, and no more jittery door. And that's pretty much most common issue people have, so that takes care of that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate your time, and I'll see you at the next one.